The bush ecosystem has a lot of sunlight, receiving around 12 hours per day every single day of the year. It also has a lot of green plants and trees with so many diverse plants, including orchids, passion flowers, cocoa trees, and rubber trees, and many more. It is a type of tropical rainforest. Most animals live on trees, but there are also air, water, and land animals, including mammals like the bald uakaris, lemurs, chimpanzees, and more. And also the birds like toucans, red hornbills, hummingbirds, and more. Fish like the angelfish, neon tetras, discus, and more. And finally, reptiles like the green iguana, chameleon, broad-snouted caiman, and more. You can find this rainforest in the African, American, and Asian tropics. The bush rainforest is very wet with around 2,540 millimeters of rain per year, which in comparison to the Netherlands, which has 790 millimeters per year, which is a lot more than 3 times less. Imagine all the rain we get all year and multiply it by 3. That would be a lot. Today, we will be talking about beautiful animals, such as
the broad-snouted caiman,
ribbed hornbill,
and the green iguana. The green iguana is a lizard that lives in tropical rainforests in Central and South America. The green iguana mostly eats leaves and fruits. It is tolerant but not really group living. The average age of the green iguana is 8 years. The iguana's clutch size is 20 to 70 eggs. The iguanas can also be dark gray or blue-green. Some males turn orange on their heads during the mating seasons. Some dominant specimens even turn orange all over and remain orange for longer outside the mating season. In some countries, green iguana are bred on farms for their meat and leather. During the mating season, the largest and toughest males try to claim the best spots in a tree. There, in their mini territory, they put on a show by nodding and trying to attract females. The secret is scent from a glands on the underside of their thighs, which they spread on branches, rocks, and even on the females. During mating, the male often bites the female on the neck. The female can store the sperm and fertilize eggs with it for several years after mating. The female places her eggs in a hole, after which no more brood care takes place. Green iguanas are important prey for all kinds of large birds. They attack the iguanas when they are resting on a sunny twig. The iguana has several ways to escape its attacker. It has a good camouflage color, green, and it is therefore not very noticeable. He also chooses his berth wisely. He prefers to lie on a branch above the water, so that he can plunge into the water if threatened. Iguanas are really good swimmers. And in case of emergency, he can also throw a piece of tail as a distraction for the bird of prey. Iguanas are able to hold their breath for up to 30 minutes in water. Green iguanas are a great example of an animal from the bush. They're colorful and, most important, beautiful.
the broad-snouted caiman is a medium-sized, highly aquatic species of a caiman that prefers marsh, swamp, and mangrove habitats. It's generally found in densely vegetated, quieter waters. Adults can reach a length of 3 meters, but most males are no larger than 2 meters. Females are usually smaller. As its common name implies, it's easily recognized by its exceptionally broad snout. Its powerful jaws enable it to crush the crustacean carapaces and mollusk shells upon what it feeds. The age of a caiman is anywhere from 0 to 22 years old, as 22 is the highest age ever recorded for the caiman. The only predator of the broad-snouted caimans are humans. Broad-snouted caimans are in high demand because of their skin, which is one of the most softest available. Broad-snouted caimans are prized for their ultra-soft hides and have been sought by hunters for the last 100 years. As a result, A large portion of broad-snouted caimans today live in a captive ranching program in South America. Normally, caimans are a thick green and grayish color, so it's able to camouflage in areas that are thick with vegetation. The clutch size of a caiman is 20 to 50 eggs. Nest predation decreases clutch size, and sometimes larger broad-snouted caimans will eat hatchlings and eggs. Broad-snouted caimans breed during the rainy season every year. People think that first rain is a sign that females are in ovulation.
The ribbed hornbill is one of about 60 species of hornbills. Hornbills are only found in the tropical regions of Africa and Asia. They have a very long curved beak, and their area of distribution is tropical America. Ribbed hornbills may look a bit clumsy, but they are excellent flyers. In the canopy of the rainforest, they can even pick fruit from the tree in flight. Several species of hornbills live in Borneo and Sumatra, including the blacked and ribbed hornbill. In nature, they cleverly avoid competition for food. The ribbed hornbill seeks its fruits in the highest jungle giants. The ribbed hornbill is also an important seed disperser. The average weight for a ribbed hornbill is 1.5 kilos and has a clutch size of 2 to 3 eggs. The ribbed hornbill includes a diet of fruits and small animals such as frogs and insects, and it travels in couples or groups. For a female ribbed hornbill to breed, the female burrows into a hollow tree. She closes the opening just a crack with a hardened mixture of fruit and faces. Through the crack, the male passes food to her and later to the young. The trapping protects the eggs and young from predators. But all in all, the female is stuck in the tree cavity for about 3 months. The male ribbed hornbill has a more colorful bill and dewlap than the female. This makes it easy to tell the sexes apart. One of the special behaviors of the ribbed hornbill is that the strikingly large beak of hornbills is used for fighting, searching for food, and for pricking up the breeding hole.
Each year, millions and billions of tropical trees are cut down. Ecosystems and habitats are destroyed, so the animals can't live in the previous home and they die because of not right conditions for their life. We need to stop that. You have seen some animals from the tropical rainforest. They are beautiful and they're dying right now because of the trees being cut for paper and wooden materials. Stop wasting paper and things made from wood. That kills many beautiful animals from all around the world.